Want to insert a blank row after every existing row in Excel without formulas or VBA? Here's a super quick trick to automatically insert a blank row after every row. Just clean and simple. Okay, let's jump in. Let's say we have this employee list, 7 rows of data. First, insert a new helper column to the left or right of your data. Now, type 1 in the first cell of the helper column, then 2 in the next. Select 1 and 2. Drag down to fill it till the end, so you have numbers 1 to 7. Next, copy the numbers 1 to 7 from the helper column and paste them directly below the original list. Now you'll see each number from 1 to 7 listed twice. Exactly what we need to create those blank rows. Now, click anywhere inside your data and press Ctrl+A to select it all. Go to the Data tab on the ribbon. Click on Sort. Sort by helper column. Order smallest to largest. Then hit OK. You can now delete the helper column if you no longer need it, or keep it for future sorting. And there you go. Excel just gave you a blank row between every original row. Clean, spaced out, and easy to read. Want to highlight only the actual data rows and ignore the blank ones? Select the dataset, including the blank rows. Go to the Home tab. Click Conditional Formatting. Then choose a new rule. Select Use a formula to determine which cells to format. Enter this formula. Click on Format. Choose a fill color. And hit OK. Now only the rows with actual data are highlighted. The blank rows stay clean. If this Excel trick helped you level up your spreadsheet game, hit that like button, share it, and subscribe to Easy Click Learning for more easy and time-saving Excel tips. Thanks for watching.